welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. So I think that this is actually going to be my last vlog of first year uni. I basically finished my lectures 2 weeks ago, but I've had loads of essays to do and I've got an exam. And my last deadline is this Thursday and it's Tuesday now, so I thought I'd just vlog my last couple of days. Pretty much all of my friends have gone home, so I don't think I'm going to be having the most social couple of days, but I'm actually going to Love Saves the Day festival in Bristol at the end of this week, which is so exciting. I'm actually supposed to be doing an online exam right now, which I'm going to start doing in a minute, but I wanted to show you some stuff that I got. I feel like it's just a thing that I do at the beginning of every single new vlog where I just show you what I got in the post. I got this really cute top from Beth's Fits on Finds World. It's kind of this like off the shoulder number top with the stripes down the side, and it's in this like really cool grey colour. I don't really have any clothes in grey and I just thought it would look really cool, and I've been obsessed with numbers tops. If you watch my spring summer trends video, then you'll know that I've been obsessed. This is her little business card and her depop is at Beth's200. Her Instagram is at Beth'sFits_. You can also use my code that I'll put on the screen if you want to buy anything from the Finds World app. It's basically a sustainable fashion platform, if you didn't know. Speaking of Finds, they also sent me the cutest kind of care package thing because I'm a student ambassador for them, and I'm just going to show you what I got because it is genuinely the nicest thing ever. I literally love Finds World. They're such an amazing company and you should definitely go and support them if you can. I laid it all out on my bed because I wanted to take a little cute picture to put on my Instagram. Look how cute this is. I just got some like bath stuff. I think this is a bubble bath and then bath crystals, and then I got some face masks, which is perfect because I was literally going to buy some to do. And then how cute is this mug? It says the earth is in our hands, and it's just like the perfect Finds World mug. Oh my god, wait, what does it say on the back? Save our beautiful green world. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. And then I think this is like a headband that you can use for like doing your makeup, which is perfect because I don't have one. Then I got this candle. How cute is this? I can't wait to put it in my second year room. And then I got this book, How Do We Know We're Doing It Right? I haven't actually read the blurb. I'm really excited to give this a read. And then they just sent me the cutest little note ever. I literally love Finds World. Like, massive shout out to the team because they are the best people ever. But yeah, I really need to get on doing my exam because I literally have a 3,000 word essay that I need to start and finish by Thursday. So I just want to get the exam out the way and then I'll get cracking with the essay.
She could rub my face, I don't want nothing in return. Her body counting who she fuck ain't never my concern. I'm trying to buy my neighbor house and turn it to y'all. If you don't know my grandma name, then we ain't really dogs. If she could rub my face, I don't want nothing in return. Except for some of her time and all her love is my concern. I'm trying to buy my neighbor house and turn it to y'all.
Okay, so it's been a while since I filmed. I finished my exam and I didn't realise, but it literally told me the grade that I got, and I got 77%, which I'm pretty proud of. After I finished my exam, I got really distracted and I was literally like planning festival outfits, and it's literally now 7:30 and I need to start my essay. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually have a shower and tidy my room and kind of like get ready for bed almost, just because I feel like I'll be so much more comfy. I went to the gym this morning and I didn't have a shower straight afterwards, which is kind of gammy. So I'm gonna do that now and I'm just gonna get fully comfy, and then I'm gonna make some progress on my essay, and then I'm gonna have some dinner. So I took off that face mask and actually my skin feels so soft. Like genuinely, I can't recommend that face mask enough. Like genuinely, I'm actually bamboozled by how soft my skin is. I also went and made my dinner. I've just got a chicken tikka masala. Obviously I didn't make it. It's actually the first time I've ever bought like a ready meal at uni, but I just was really feeling it yesterday and I wasn't hungry enough to eat it yesterday. So today is the day. I'm literally gonna watch some YouTube and then continue on with my work, and I'm probably not gonna vlog anything else, so I'll see you in the morning. Good morning everybody, it's now Wednesday and I feel like I'm wearing a really booby top. I literally never wear booby tops because it's something I'm quite self-conscious of, but I'm trying to like push myself out of the comfort zone. I did my makeup really natural and summery because it is literally 20 degrees in Leeds and I am actually sweating like I have a major Sula, which you probably can't see, but I literally feel like I'm back in Southeast Asia. Like I have not been this hot since I've been in Southeast Asia. Speaking of makeup, actually I got some new products which I thought I'd show you. I got the Charlotte Tilbury, what's it called? got Airbrush Bronzer in shade 2. Oh my god, okay, sorry, I'll just cover that. I also got the infamous Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter in the shade 2, and genuinely, I'm obsessed. I mean, I obviously knew it was going to be great because everybody's obsessed with it, but it's so natural. I literally just put that on and then some Glossier concealer, a little bit of Glossier blush, the bronzer, curl my eyelashes, and it just feels so light on my skin and nice. Basically, I woke up at 8 a.m. this morning. I've really been on my waking up early grind because I normally either don't sleep because of my ADHD meds, get up for the day and then be really productive, or I sleep way too much. And I've kind of done two things to sort out my sleep schedule. It's actually kind of mad. If I look back at pictures of me at the beginning of uni, my under eyes were literally dark purple because I did not sleep. So yeah, I went to the gym this morning. I literally walked/ran on the treadmill for an hour and watched the whole new episode of Made in Chelsea. I don't know if anyone watches Made in Chelsea, but it's really been popping off with the drama recently. I had a shower, I straightened my hair. I mean, it literally looks so frazzled. It's actually really bad. I feel like I need to get like a hair mask or something to sort that out, but I can't be bothered right now. I had some breakfast and then I literally just cracked on with my essays, and it's now 1:30 and I have an online doctor's appointment at 3:45 and it's literally boiling in this room. I cannot function, and the building work is causing me grief because I can't open my window because otherwise it lets in the sound. Anyway, so I've got a couple of hours, so I thought I might just head into town because it's really sunny outside and I literally did not leave my room yesterday, and I need to pick up some bits and bobs. I need to get some new hair gel, a new Welleda skin food. I really want to get a setting spray. I literally bought one the other day from Charlotte Tilbury and I left it in my house in London, which is a bit of a shame, and I was really like counting on that to wear for this weekend when I go to Love Saves the Day festival, so I might just get another setting spray. And I've literally got a brand new one, which is so annoying, but then again, it's something that I'm going to use, so I might as well just stock it up. I also want to try and get some ribbon because I literally have my signature black ribbon that I literally wear in my hair every single day, and I want to get some more. I want to get some pink ones and maybe some green ones because I just feel like it would really make my outfits 10 times more interesting. I also saw this like instant Bondi Sands tan that I kind of want to try. I literally am so pale. That's quite a big insecurity of mine. It's kind of annoying because I don't even tan at all. Like, I literally just burn. I literally don't know if you can see, but I am actually sweating. It's actually mad. I used to complain about that heating not working, and now I'm literally like, oh my god, I literally need a fan. Okay, before we go, I'm gonna give you a quick OOTD as usual. So I actually bought this top the other day in London. I literally already got makeup on it, but basically it was my brother's 18th birthday and I just did not have any formal tops, and we were going to this kind of nice restaurant and I was in Central and I was like, fuck, like I actually like need a nice top because I can't just rock up in what I normally wear. So I actually got this from Brandy Melville. I know I literally hate myself for doing that, but it was literally there, and I tried on this top and I really wanted to get one of these kind of dainty white tops because I think it looks really cool with these cargo trousers and like loads of other trousers that I have, and it's quite booby, and as I've already said, I'm trying to get myself out of the comfort zone, so I feel like this is great. I actually really like it. Okay, and then my necklace is from Ico Jewellery. So these two are from Bijou de Mimi. I feel like you can't even really see them, and I actually have a discount code that you can use. I'll put it on the screen, and I literally love Bijou de Mimi earrings. I literally am obsessed. They look so cute. And then these earrings are from a little shop in Stockbridge in Edinburgh. I think the shop's called Caboa. It's like a little Mexican shop, and my friend really nicely got them for me. And then these trousers, I literally feel like I've worn them in every single TikTok I've done recently. I'm so obsessed with them. I got them from Vinted. I'll put the name of the seller on the screen because I think she's like a proper seller, so she has a lot of really cool stuff. And then I'm just wearing my Adidas Sambas. I've been loving my Superstars, but I just thought the brown looked cool with the belt. Guys, what the fuck? I just spent so much money. You know what? I actually don't even feel bad about it because firstly, I have a Boots Advantage card and like a student discount. And if I didn't have that, I probably would have spent 3 times as much. Also, I had points on my Harvey Nichols card and I get a discount in Harvey Nichols because I'm part of the rewards scheme. I still spent too much. I'm just so impulsive with my money. Like if I go into a Boots and I see something, I'm like, oh my god, I literally need that. So I did get everything on my list apart from the hair ribbons. That was an epic fail because I did go to like 4 different shops and they didn't have any. But I basically made up for it by literally buying the most random shit ever. Okay, starting off with the stuff that I actually needed. I got some more hair gel. This is the best one. I've tried all of the Eco hair gels and this one is definitely the best one. I don't really like this setup very much. Hang on, let me just adjust this. I then got the Welleda Skin Food. I got the Champagne Super Toner by Bleach London just because I feel like my hair is like really strawy and yellow and I want to have a little pamper session this evening and make it look really nice. Hair bubbles, a must. Okay, the rest of this stuff I genuinely did not need, but fuck it. I got the Glow Tonic by Pixie and I got the Charlotte Tilbury setting setting spray like I said I was going to. They had the full size, which was pretty good because I don't have a full size one. I then got a Fenty lip gloss, not really sure why. Also, these two were from Harvey Nichols, and I already said, but if you sign up for the rewards scheme, you get like money off every single time, and you get like vouchers. So this was actually so cheap because I had loads of money on my rewards card, if that makes sense. I got the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. I've also used this before and it was really good. I literally don't do anything to my eyebrows, and the lady was like trying to get me to like buy like a pencil, and I was like, no, I don't fuck around with that. But yeah, this is really good. And then I got a new eyeliner. I used to use the Stila one, but they didn't have it in Boots, so I randomly decided to get the Kylie Jenner one. I am obsessed with Kylie Jenner. I literally love that woman. I then got a mini Take the Day Off cleansing balm by Clinique. I've used this as well. It's so good. I then got a Better Than Sex mascara. This is like the normal one. I actually got the waterproof one recently because Alex L convinced me to, but it's so difficult to get off, and they had a deal on this, so I was like, fuck it, I might as well. Okay, my camera died, so I need to be really quick. This was such an unnecessary purchase. I got the Halo Glow liquid filter by ELF, and I know I literally just bought the Charlotte Tilbury flawless filter, but I wanted this for so long and I could not find it anywhere for months. So this was the last one in Boots, and I was like, fuck it. This is so random, but I got a medicine organizer just because I always forget to take my meds, so I feel like this may help me. I then got some sun cream because I checked the weather for the weekend and it's literally gonna be 22 degrees and really sunny, so I got the Sunbum Factor 50 sun cream. I got the Bondi Sands Instant Tan that I said I was gonna get, and I got the matte one, and then I got the mitt to go with it. And then there was like a massive deal on Isle of Paradise, and I saw one of my favorite TikTokers using this kind of translucent mousse, so I picked it up in light. I'm gonna give it a go this evening. I'm just gonna experiment with everything this evening. And then I got the mitt. I don't know why I bought 2 mitts. And then the last thing I got was this because it was 50p and I thought that I could use it to scrub this off. You know what, I was feeling guilty earlier, but I actually feel like I'm gonna use all of this stuff. Okay, my camera literally keeps dying, but I just put on the mascara and the eyeliner, and the eyeliner is so good. I've got half an hour until my appointment, so I'm just gonna chill and organize all of this stuff, and then I'm gonna get on with some work afterwards. Okay, it's been quite a while since I filmed. I wasn't gonna bore you with a boring time lapse of me doing my work because I feel like we've done that already in this video, but that's pretty much what I was doing. I also painted my nails. My hands look so strange without rings on them. And I just used this Essie yellow nail varnish. It's pretty cute actually. I feel like even though I'm not tanned, it creates the illusion that I am. I also had my dinner. I had some nice spaghetti bolognese, and it's now 8:30. I literally still have to finish my essay. Oh my god. I need to do section 3 and the conclusion. To be fair, it's all planned out, so it shouldn't take too long, and I've just got some other random shit to be doing.